covering a staggering expanse of 337,000 square kilometers, an area slightly smaller than Germany. Taklimakan is China's largest desert and infamously known as the Sea of Death. Kekaya is nestled at the northern edge of Taklimakan Desert. Due to its adverse geological location, Kekaya was once notorious for its tumultuous weather and ceaseless sandstorms.
风一刮起来嘛，整个那个阿克苏的城区啊，那就都是一片黄色，这个天嘛就好像一下子变黑了，就想着能够这个在阿克苏工作期间啊，用水们把阿克苏石围起来，人们的日子就好过了。
In 1986, a team of over 250 people completed the task of constructing a 16.8-kilometer anti-seepage ditch in Kekaya in mere 4 months to ensure a steady water supply for irrigation. Trees were then planted and carefully protected. Thanks to the unceasing efforts of volunteers and forest rangers, about 80,000 hectares of forests were planted from 1986 to 2020 as part of the project. The dusty days in Aksu City, the major city next to Kekaya, decreased sharply from about 100 days in 1980 to some 30 days in 2022.
一个长青绿长青出来了。最喜欢的就是夏季和秋季，因为这个夏季看到这个成片的树荫，想想哎呀，我们当时植树吃那些苦受那些罪也值得。秋天看到咱们硕果累累，这个心里头是最舒服的，最欣慰的，也是最骄傲的。
Nowadays, over 86% of the trees in Kekaya's afforestation project yield economic benefits. In Aksu Prefecture, the total area devoted to fruit crops reached 300,000 hectares in 2022. The farmers' average income from fruit surpassed 5,500 yuan in 2022, constituting 26.25% of their annual earnings. The sweet and juicy Aksu apple has now become a signature agricultural product of Xinjiang.